To book flight tickets online, the process is straightforward and quick. Start by opening a web browser, such as Google Chrome, and searching for Expedia.com. This will direct you to the official Expedia website, where you can begin the booking process. First, select the flights option and choose the type of trip that suits you best, whether it's a one-way, round trip, or multi-city journey. Then, enter your departure city, destination city, and departure date. After clicking the search button, you will be taken to a page where you can view available flights. The prices will change according to the dates you select, which are displayed at the top of the page. On the left side, there is a menu that allows you to filter flights, and once you find a suitable option, click on it to view more details. A menu will appear on the right, where you can select your preferred flight. Take your time to review the details by clicking on the Show Details option. If you're satisfied with your choice, click the Select option and proceed to the checkout page. Here, you will be prompted to choose your seat and enter your personal details, such as your full name, address, phone number, and payment method. Ensure that all the information is accurate to successfully book your flight. After completing the booking process, you can sign into the website to check your flight status.